David Lamberth from Macon Tent Rentals in Macon, Georgia. We've been in the business for a while, so any needs that we've had out of them have been answered very quickly, and any product that we need gets to us very quickly, so we get it out in the field. Yeah, so we had several of the XP Series tents up during tornadoes that went through Georgia recently, and we had zero issues. The fact that they're very easy for our crew to put up quickly and efficiently and safe, and it can also withstand tornado-type winds is big for our industry and big for our customers. They love the look of the XP Series, and again, to withstand tornado-type winds is a plus. In the short time I've been in the industry in tent rentals and tent installation, we've used ETI products hundreds of times, and they're still in great shape. They look great, just easy to install for our crew, and easy to train, and that's what we like most about ETI products.